this episode, we're tackling a big kids playground just north of Perth, where we see firsthand what not to do when forward driving in the sand.
Climb over a dune and nearly roll it. What do you reckon, mate?
I reckon we might be stuck.
Come with us to explore Lancelin Sand Dunes.
So there's actual different areas to be at.
Yeah.
Sandboarding and bus car park. Where are we? Oh, we're a long way away.
Full drive area, so you just follow that road around.
Oh, you don't get to just like explore? Anyways, we'll suss him out.
Oh, I didn't realise you were pretty young.
Yeah, I was really young. A little ants on the hill.
Oh, he's bogged.
Oh, he's bogged in the Tesla!
So freaking funny.
Oh, they're gonna push him.
I don't know the hand, are they right? Should we give him a hand? Oh, he's got it.
He's got it.
He's got it.
He's got it. He's got it. He's got it.
He's got it.
Yeah! Go that Tesla power. Mute your horn.
How do we go?
Oh, well, that's exciting. As soon as we drive in, Tesla bogged. We haven't even let our tyres down or anything.
No, it's still at 50 PSI because it's just like a hard road at the minute.
Yeah. Well,
there's just a couple little soft spots.
It said there was like a road to follow, so
Yeah.
we actually.
But there's like no signs or anything.
No. So that's why we're taking you along with us to show you
Where the hell do you go?
where to go when you come to Lancelin Dunes.
We'll go up here and there's like a big open area, so we'll go suss this out. We might park here so everyone can see where we are.
This is actually incredible. It's like a big kid four-wheel drive enthusiast playground. Like, the flies are annoying and it's a bit hot, but it's not bad. It's pretty fun.
Oh, it's good fun.
Pretty fun, yeah. But
Might put the drone up so we can have a look around.
yeah, let's have a bird's eye view. Kade wants to see how far we can make it up a sand dune. Obviously the camera never does justice, but we'll see how far we make it. Don't go all the way though. Ah, easy!
Yeah, I thought they were going to be so much harder. It was literally climb up already.
Nah.
Just slam the brakes on up there.
I'll get up and I'll check what's on the other side for you. Taxi! Come get me. I walked up the top of the dune to see if we could make it even, because obviously the first attempt went really well. But unfortunately, honestly, who invited this child? Yeah, couldn't make it to the top of the dunes because there's a huge hole, very off-camber. So if we did go up it, we'll probably just flip it, which is not worth doing to our car. So let's continue exploring around. You have fun?
Yeah. I'm like a kid.
Yeah, you are like a little child. So because there's not a lot of dunes to actually choose from, a lot of it looks like it's been like eroded away. So like the other side of the dune is like sort of a bit impossible to go across. We found a dune we can possibly try. So we'll go from one end to the other and then we'll try the harder end. These flies.
I can keep going and make that easy.
Alright, we'll go back down and try it again.
Are you good?
Yeah, good. Oh, fuck!
What's wrong?
Everything! Your front tyre there come off the ground and that back tyre came off the ground. You almost made it, yes. You almost made it. Are you gonna go again? Nah.
We'll just jump at this one.
Yeah, just send it. Woo! Not even any noise. Oh, mate, how do you feel?
Yeah, we done it. Now we just got to get down the part that we couldn't get up before.
Yeah, we were trying to get up that part. We just decided to do it backwards.
Yeah, we've done it backwards, so the bigger hill was easier to get over.
Yeah.
Anyway, we'll drop down here and we'll go have a stuff.
I heard something in the canopy go bonk. We watched this one fella come flying over a dune and nearly roll it. Let's see how he's going.
These guys were visiting Lancelin for the first time, just like we were, but they were caught out by a sharp descent on one of the dunes. The game plan here was to hook up their other car and gently pull them down the dune on a correct and safe angle.
Will he be okay?
Yeah. As long as he idles him back, he should be sweet.
But we know things don't always go smoothly and to plan, so it was out with the shovels to stop any resistance. Now that should do the trick.
This wind has just come out of nowhere.
Nah, it's circling up.
Alright, we'll get in the car. We're going to get in the car and have a chat. Okay, now we're out of the wind and the sand. What happened there?
So what happened is we pulled up on the top of the hill and we're like, oh, this would be a good vantage point because we can see everyone. We're going to get out and have a bit of a chat about some things. And we looked out the passenger window and our mate drove and the sand dunes all eroded like this. And he come over and then the ute leant hard over and the back wheels come off the ground. And then they obviously pooped their pants.
Yeah.
And then they stopped there and then I was like, oh yeah, I reckon they almost rolled that. And then I was like, oh, but we couldn't see from where we were much of the vehicle. So we walked over to have a look and yeah, sure enough, they were bogged and it was leaning hard over.
It was scary too.
We gave them a little hand.
Yeah.
Got them out, just gave them a little bit of guidance.
Yeah.
And yeah.
Everyone's safe at the end of the day.
Made light work of it and good job done.
Now, we got one more thing to do here. So we've checked off driving on the sand dunes, driving up a sand dune. Now, we have to boogie down one.
Sliding down them.
Let's go.
Shania has went and hired a sandboard.
Yeah, look at it.
Now,
I'm at a disadvantage.
Oh yeah, that's great. Far out.
Yeah.
So this was $10 for 1 hour. Is it $10 for a day or just an hour?
No, $10 for an hour, and then I think it like gets cheaper the more hours you hire.
Okay.
But
so
yeah,
we've only got it for an hour, so no bloody standing around. Let's get into it.
Let's go boarding.
It is so freaking windy up there.
It is.
It is so windy. It feels windy here.
Yeah.
But you blew me over with the board.
Oh really?
Yeah. Like a natural. That was good.
That's done. Let's go to the big dune now. All right, this is where you're meant to go. Kade, go that way, go.
Until the break of time, life cannot go by the letter. Time, Prozac can make it.
As you can tell, the wind was howling, but that didn't stop us from having fun and proving that one of us was a surfer in their past life. Thanks for watching, legends, and we'll catch you in the next one.
Careful of the rock.
That was going to go so quick.
That was gonna fly down.
Falling off into this rock.
Yeah. All right.